I even thought the wall would split in two. You must have thought the same thing, especially if Roronoa Zoro is your favourite character. But luckily, the director of this anime had a different plot twist. Maybe it's because the animation looked more epic, or maybe it was just quicker to move on to the next frame. What do you think the reason is? Even so, the sound effects in this anime are crafted with great detail. For example, the sound of footsteps, the sound of clothing movements, as well as other supporting effects, including transition effects. All of this makes you unaware of just how intricate this anime actually is. The sound of rain slowly coming in like this is quite interesting, similar to the ASMR rain sounds you often play when relaxing in your room or reading a book alone. You noticed it too, didn't you? The transition that shows they just entered the warehouse, with the sound effect of a sliding metal door. Another interesting example is a sound effect that gives the point of view that the character is remembering a previous event. Some sound effects that require rhythm and timing are actually quite difficult to create, yet they're so natural that you don't notice and simply get absorbed by the following sound effects. Besides of love comedy, when the man says "I hate you," and the girl replies, "I'm so flattered. I want to replay the chalkboard sound effect from earlier, but with a slower speed." That was really impressive for its timing and their rhythm, and discussing anime sound effects like this is quite difficult to avoid copyright issues, so make sure to subscribe and share. I might try to talk more about anime sound effects through shorts videos. Thank you for watching. See you again.